The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, DHT22 sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable. This is our program. So this program will support the older version of ESP32, that is if you are using the latest version of ESP32, you need to downgrade that version to 2.0.11. So if you are using the latest version, it will show error. Now we need to upload the program. For that, connect your ESP32 board to your laptop. Go to this drop down. Here the port will be already selected. If you want to change the board, click this edit button and here search for your board and click OK button. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now we can check the output. To check the output, now open serial monitor. In the serial monitor, you will get the IP. Now we need to copy this IP and paste in the web browser. So you can check the output in the web browser. You can also try the same IP in your mobile application.